guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me once again, Jocelyn Vlogs. Okay guys, today guys, I'm going to reveal because you know my video that water pose event in Little Hawaii. I'm wearing a cap, baseball cap. Someone asking me, is it that is baseball cap? And I say yes, because this is actually a set of baseball cap. You know, it's Miami. Okay guys, it's Miami. Okay, as you can see, it's Miami Hurricane. It's Adidas guys. Okay, so as you can see, Adidas is originally sent it to me, okay, from USA. Okay, so this is my baseball cap. It's the Miami Hurricane, and as you can see, this is small already, but as you can see, small size, but it's very big for me. Okay guys, so this is it, and with combination also a panty. It's a string panty, as you can see. There, this is, as you can see, green, but there's no other color, but it's black. Okay guys, so this is the set that I have plus the cap. Okay, so this is originally from USA. Okay guys, and okay, this is a sports tight, as you can see. Okay, so there you go, but I don't know whether you can see it. Okay, so I will try this one guys. Okay, but to wear this panty, okay, for just reveal, I hope that there is no heater when I wear this one. I think when I wear this one, I'm going to wear in the toilet to take a picture only. I don't need to take a video because maybe it's somebody say, oh, you know, seductive or something like that. So I wanted to avoid that, because this is just reveal for fun. Okay, but actually is showing that this is my collection. This one is green also, but you cannot really see it's green because of the shiny thing, and also green, it's different color. So okay guys, I will show you up. I will put it up. Okay guys. Okay, so here I am guys. Okay guys, so here I am. As you can see, how does it fit to me? As I say, very small already this one, but it's still very big for me, so I let you see. Okay, so this is, need to put like that because you cannot really see it. Okay, so it's just like that. Okay, so okay, too far, right? Okay, so this is so big, although it's small, but it's too big for me, as you can see. So okay, so need to, let's see. Okay, so or maybe I should wear my shoes. On the right. Okay guys, so this, so okay guys, so I will wear the panty, but I will change the attire like that, so you can see what I will put there on the toilet. Okay, guys. Reveal, guys. Okay, so this is I'm going to show you the set of my collection, the sport, I mean Miami Hurricane collection. Okay, guys, so I hope you like this video, guys. Okay, guys, I think snap pick only with this together, just snap peek. Okay, guys, so I don't need to take a video I take from the toilet, so I will include there. So I hope no one heater there, or I hope that YT don't make, how do you call it, limit the ads. Okay, so I hope to see you guys, and I hope you like this video, guys. So see you guys, thank you for watching, and shout out to all my members, friends and family, and most especially to all my subscribers who support me, and thank you very much. Happy weekend and have a blessed day. Bye.